Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to make the purchase transaction entry in Tally 4.0. So let's start today's discussion. First we will discuss what will be the purchase entry in the books of account. So the purchase entry will be the purchase account will be debited because the purchase is the nominal account, so it is just one type of expense, and as per the rule of the nominal account, if there is a expense, then it has to be a debited. So the purchase account is required to be debited. Then GST receivable account is required to be debited because whatever the GST is charged on that purchase transaction, you will get the input tax credit whenever it is required to be paid as a GST by your organization. So GST will become your asset on the purchase transaction. So GST account will be debited and the party account will be credited. So here the personal account rule is applicable. The person who is giving the benefit to our entity, their account will be credited. So what will be the entry? Purchase account debit, GST receivable account debit to party account. Now we will do this transaction entry in Tally 4.0. So the first transaction will be rupees 50,000 goods purchases from ABC and Company on which 5% GST is applicable. So how we can do the entry? ABC and Company is giving us the goods. So from ABC and Company we are getting the benefit. So ABC and Company account got credited. Purchase account is debited and GST account is also debited. So let us start doing the entry in Tally 4.0. So for the purpose of making the entry, you have to press on the voucher button. From here you can select the purchase transaction. Here purchase transaction is already open. So here you have to enter the voucher number. Here you have to enter the invoice date. Here you have to enter the supplier invoice number and supplier invoice date. Now I have to write down the transaction. Here the ledger name which is going to be a credited. So which account is going to be a credited? EBC and Capri account is going to be a credited by how much? About 50,000 rupees goods on which 5% GST is applied. So 50,000 plus 5%. So 52,500 will be credited to EBC and company ledger account. Which account is going to be a debited? Purchases account. So purchases account is going to be debited with basic amount of goods. So what is the basic amount of goods? 50,000. Now which account is going to be a debited? GST receivable. So which are the GST? CGST and SGST. 2.5%. So I am write down here CGST account debit 1250 and SGST receivable account debit 1250. Here I will write down the direction and press enter the last. So my entry will be done. Now we will do the purchase transaction entry for next transaction. Rupees 1 lakh goods purchased from PQR Private Limited on which IGST is applicable. So who is giving the benefit to our organization? PQR Private Limited. So here the personal account rule, PQR Private Limited account is credited with total bill amount. What is the total bill amount? 1 lakh plus 18% GST, that is the 1 lakh 18,000. So here I will write down PQR Limited account will be credited with 1,18,000. Then purchase account is going to be a debited. So by what amount? Basic value, that is before tax value, that is rupees 1 lakh. Here I will write down the GST, that is the IGST is written in our transaction. So IGST account is debited with the GST element and press enter to the last. Your purchase transaction entry will be done in your Tally Prime 4.0. So in this way, you can make the purchase transaction entry in Tally 4.0. Thank you very much.